Hello. So I made it here to, well, as the woman on my phone said on the map thing, whatever, Kami. I call it Kamae. Maybe I'm wrong, but as you can see, this is Kamae behind me, and isn't it beautiful? Already I saw one good scene and took some photos, so hopefully I can make a good painting from that, I think. So did have a problem on the way here, which was I went through the wrong toll gate. So I was a bit worried. I do panic sometimes, and I thought, oh no, I'm going to get fined, but I don't think I did. So I do this ETC thing, which is just you can go through quicker and you get automatically billed, and I went through the other one where you have to pay, and I just went straight through it without paying. And this guy was waving behind me, stop, come back. So I had to go back, but I think that's done and is okay. I must admit though, the road was very narrow, and my car beeps whenever I cross over the line, and it was constantly beeping. So anyway, I'm at Michi no Eki, which is like, I don't know what you call it, roadside kind of place. And my wife had a request. I'm going to paint this place over here, by the way. Well, I'm going to take a photo and then paint it at home. But anyway, my wife, she wants me to buy hiogai, which is a kind of beautiful looking shellfish. So I will buy some of that, but maybe later, right? Might not even be open. It's 9 o'clock. It took me about 1 hour to get here. And isn't it beautiful? I'm so happy to be here. I actually lost my confidence for going out and traveling places and painting, to be honest. So this is like a return to trying to do that. Let's see how it goes. Might not work out. But anyway, I'm going to follow the road over there and see where it goes, and hopefully see some nice sights. Bye for now. Okay, look at this. So I've been going along the coastline, and I went on this really narrow road. I was a bit worried actually, in case another car came the other way, because there was absolutely no way to turn around. It's back there. Maybe you can't see it from here, but I've just walked along this rocky beach to this weird looking lighthouse, whatever it is, kind of some light thing. And anyway, I got around it, and look at this here. So this is what you live for, right? Look at this. It's beautiful. So I might just go down there and have a little bit more of a look. But look at that sea sparkle. It's beautiful. So I took some photos, and let's carry on. So this is what I mean about a narrow road. I mean, if a vehicle comes the other way, what are you going to do? You're just completely stuck. You'll have to reverse all the way back. Look at these birds, guys. Okay, I guess I should show you this area. So behind me, have a look. You've got all the boats, and isn't it beautiful? I just can't tell you how peaceful it is here. And it's February, but the sun is shining and it's warm. The birds are twittering. It's beautiful. I could really live somewhere like this. So I just want to share this with you. It's really, really beautiful. Hope you like it. So I've just come up this really narrow road by the very side of the sea, and I thought, what an idiot I am. I shouldn't have done it because it was so narrow. If a car came the other way, I'd be really in deep poo. So, but look at this. So sometimes it is good to be a bit of a romantic fool and get in the car and go traveling and go up narrow mountain roads that you've got rocks rolling down the side and stuff like that. But sometimes you end up with a view like this. And I don't know, but at one time I would have been disappointed with this scene, because although it's beautiful, I don't think I would be able to paint it and do a good painting. But now I think I can. I think there's elements in here that I can exaggerate a bit, like that. You see the sea, I'm not sure if you can see the sea closer to the horizon where it goes light. I can really emphasize that. And that island over there looks really mysterious, doesn't it? I'm rambling now, but I just wonder if anybody lives on that island. It's quite interesting, right? And I've got a boat down there. I doubt I could really add anything there, but some of this shrubbery, I could really do a good job of that, I think. And the lighting, if you look on the left hand side, there's a kind of bluishness on that half, but on the right hand side it's much lighter. And I think if I really exaggerate that, it could look really good. I'll just show you the sky. The sky is amazing. I'd kind of like to add a lot of sky as well, but it's not going to be possible because these big rocky mountainsides are going to take up a lot of the space, so the horizon line's got to be quite high, I think. You can't really do it like that. That's not going to look very as good, is it? But that looks pretty amazing. So I'm going to continue along this really narrow road and wish me luck. Oh, I just had a cup of coffee. It's very nice. It's very big size actually, and some chocolate chip cookies and a slice of pound cake. It was delicious. Look at that. It looks quite nice. Even that would make a good painting, I think. I really like that utility pole. Don't like the name utility pole, but it looks great, doesn't it? Oh, a car's coming. Someone's coming. Maybe I can go behind them. Not that it make much difference. Oh, look at that. That looks quite good. We've got a bit of the rock on the left-hand side there. Oh, look, someone else. I think they're an old couple. I passed them earlier. I think I've been freaking out a few people. Like there's one guy who stopped at a certain place, and I think he was a surfer or something. And I mean, I'm not an intimidating person, but I stopped in front of his van to get out and take a photograph, and I think he quickly got in the van and shut the door. Like, I don't know. But you know, Japan, it's such a safe country, I don't know why. Anyway, continue along this road. Perhaps I'm paranoid. And I learnt the word for paranoid in Japanese. It's mo so. Mo so. So maybe I can't order a hot cup of coffee in Japanese, but I know the word for paranoid. There you go. Bye for now. Okay, so finished. It's 3 o'clock, but I've got a lesson to do, and the sensible thing is to get back, but I'll just show you the view outside the window. There's the really soft, lovely sound of the waves. It's beautiful. It's so peaceful. There's nobody here. I took my drone up again, maybe the 3rd time, so I'm always terrified that I'm going to crash it. And then that 600 $600 down the loo. So that's one of my nightmare worries, fears. But it's been wonderful. It's been really, really great. And I think I've got some good images. Sayonara for now.